Good afternoon, children. Take out your book. Yes, which book you are going to take out? Viva Early Skill English book. Okay. Now open this book to page number 3434. Yes, we have already done this word, right, children? On Tuesday. Op, op words, right? So today we are going to do og, og words, og words. So write the date. Today is 3 12 2020. So how will you tell the date, children? 3rd December 2020. And what is the day today? Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. So today is Thursday. Okay, I hope you are familiar with the days of the week, children. Yes. Now let's move ahead to og. Og words. So og together makes og words. Og words. Okay. First is, let us read og, og, log, og, log. Okay, children, log is a part of thick or a large branch of a tree that has fallen down or been cut. Right? So that is called log. So when a large tree और उसके जो बीच के जो branch है, thick branch, when that gets cut off and it falls down, so that portion is called log. Log, 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 og, log. Okay, children. So this is how you have to read. Next is the picture of fog. Children, do you know what is the meaning of fog? When we look outside and you barely can see the road, the trees, which we generally can see, right? हम जब सुबह उठते हैं और ऐसे विंडो से बाहर देखते हैं तो वी कैन सी एवरीथिंग, राइट? ट्रीज, रोड्स, हाउसेस, एवरीथिंग. बट समटाइम्स व्हेन इट्स वेरी कोल्ड, right? Cold season, winter season. So when we look outside and you barely can see any of these roads, houses, buildings, trees, which generally we can see. So that's because of the grey mist covering everything. Why do you think it is like that we cannot see outside things? Because of the grey mist covering everything, and that's called fog. Fog. Yes, can you see this? This grey color things? Yeah, this is fog. And because of this, it's very hard to see outside. So when you go out in the morning for walk, so you have to be very careful, because when the season is such, when fog is there outside, you cannot see things around you. So while walking, you can fall down, right? So you have to be very careful when you walk during this time, when you see fog. Okay? So once again I'll tell you, when we look outside and you barely can see the road, the trees, the houses, the buildings that we generally used to see, so that is because of this some grey color mist that is covered, right? So that grey mist is covering all these things, and that is called fog. Okay? During fog, one cannot see outside. It's very hard to see anything. Okay? So Are you clear, children? What is the meaning of fog? Okay. Next is og. Og, the og, dog. Dog is a pet animal. Yes? Tell me, dog is a pet animal. Yes. Now, next picture is of a girl doing some kind of exercise. And what is that exercise? We'll read it out. First you say og, og, then say og, jog. Og, 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 jog. Yes, children, jog is what? Run in a steady, gentle speed. Yes, and that is done in a form of exercise. So this is jog. This girl is doing jogging in the morning. So when it is an action word, you call it jogging. Okay? So this girl is jogging in the morning to stay fit. So like that you can make sentence also of jog. Okay? Now let's read words inside the box. Og, 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 dog. Og, 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 jog. Og, 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 fog. Og, 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 log. Og, 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 hog. So this is how we have to read these O sound CVC words. Okay? Og words. Which words did we do today? Og words. Og words. Okay? So practice at home, children, and parents. Help them to make small and short sentences also with these words. Okay? Bye bye. Enjoy and take care.